Finding a gold digger. Someone who is primarily concerned in their partner's wealth and what it may achieve for them is known as a gold digger. You'll see that money-grubbing people frequently pressure their partners for lavish presents, loans, and allowances. Typically, they believe they are entitled to the best things in life without having to work for them. It's a good idea to be on the lookout for gold diggers and steer clear of them if you're hoping for a sincere romantic connection. 1. Noticing dependence on money. Verify their employment history. Many money diggers are unemployed or hold down level jobs until they meet someone who can act as their meal ticket. When you first start dating someone, find out what they do for a living and what they have planned for the future. If they offer you evasive responses or dismiss it, there might be an issue. 2. If they reject cheap gifts, be worried. When exchanging gifts, the thought should be what matters. Try to buy your lover a thoughtful yet budget-friendly gift if you think they're a gold digger. Then take a seat and observe their response. They might be a gold digger if they ignore the gift or choose to either keep it or not use it. Check out the results. For instance, if you start the date by giving them a flower, do they immediately throw it to the side or submerge it in water? 3. Be alert for inquiries concerning your possessions. Someone you're dating will likely be interested in learning about your past and job. However, it's alarming if they keep inquiring about your finances and possessions. Red flags are raised if they inquire about your choice of vehicle or your stock options, especially early on. You can also respond to their inquiries about your own financial situation before watching their reactions. Try telling them that you drive a used automobile of an older model to see how they respond. Upon hearing this, a gold digger might express their open distaste or even recommend that you purchase a more expensive one. 4. Take note if they inquire about your family's finances. Some gold diggers want to play the long game rather than just pursuing your money. They consider what might occur if you have a financial background. Be on the lookout for someone who wants to know if your parents are employed and if you have a trust money. Saying, "Oh, that's great that your dad is an architect," is an example of a gold digger's comment. He has most likely established a trust fund for you. 5. When making loans or lending money, proceed with caution. Although it is never safe to exchange money in relationships, gold diggers frequently demand it. Pay close attention if they frequently have emergencies that need giving them money, even when presented as a loan. This is especially true if they continue to live a lavish lifestyle while requesting financial assistance from you. You might respond, "I don't think it is a good idea to lend money to my partner," if they approach you for a loan. It causes the connection to become unbalanced. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.